Today we got a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is When an HOA Violation Ends Horrifically.
Where's he hit? Where you hit?
Right here.
Hands up! Come out! Hands up!
Can't breathe. He can't breathe.
Holy
Yeah.
And then
Oh.
after, it just hurts right here. Oh, were you shot?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
On December 29th, 2023, the City of North Las Vegas Police Department is called when a dispute between neighbors takes a violent turn. The chaotic and deadly scene is caught on camera, and as harrowing as the footage is, nothing is more shocking than the reason the dispute started in the first place.
She's got chickens in her backyard. I turned her into the HOA for chickens.
The following is based on official police records, and some of the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. At 4:28 p.m., a 911 call is made to the City of North Las Vegas Dispatch.
911, police, fire, medical.
Police? Our crazy neighbor?
Okay, what's going on out here?
What was that?
What's going on out here, please?
Our crazy neighbor just fired shots. She might have hit my mom. My dad is on the floor. We don't know where she is. She has a gun. She's armed.
Hearing that an armed suspect has apparently opened fire in a residential area, officers race to the scene.
In number two? Shooter's in number two?
Or she ran that way.
It's a female?
Yeah, female Filipino.
Number two room? Shooter's supposed to be in building 2, right here beside the suspect. Go, go, go. Hey, go, 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 go.
Damn, a Filipina?
Where's he hit? Where you hit?
Right here.
All right.
You're good. You're good.
Control 3.
Just stay awake, okay? Keep breathing. You're good. Look at me. Talk to me. You're good.
Hands up! Come out! Hands up! Hands up! Contact with suspect. Contact. Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up.
Open the door.
Okay.
Open the door. Open the door. Get out. Get out. Get out. On the ground. On the ground.
Good. What's your name?
Can we get his ID, please? Or debris.
I know, but just here. Look at me. You're good.
Do we know the suspect?
I don't know. I just came
Here. Give me that gauze.
Joe Junior.
Give me that gauze.
Crazy neighbor, we have a restraining order on file.
Okay.
Around the corner, the officer has successfully handcuffed the suspect.
Where's the gun?
I don't know. The girl, she threw it. She threw it somewhere.
Is there an exit wound? Hold on. Here. Turn around. Hey, sir. There's no exit wound.
The victim is identified as 46-year-old Nick Davey. Just as the officers take a look at the gunshot wound in his abdomen, they notice something on the ground just behind him.
Secure that. Secure that. Secure that. No, don't grab it. Don't grab it. Don't grab it.
You're good. You're good.
The officer quickly secures the abandoned firearm in her patrol car.
What's your neighbor's name? What's your neighbor's name?
Joe Junio.
Yes. Yes.
Joe Jr.? I'm gonna just hold the pressure on here. Joe?
Joe Junio, female Filipino.
Somewhere.
Got her in custody around the corner.
That's a gun right there.
Where?
Right here. I think. That's a gun, I think. That's my socks.
I don't know if this is her or not. I think it is.
There she is, right there.
36-year-old Joe Junio is handed off and swiftly placed in the back of a police vehicle. What she pointed to in the street was actually a 9mm cartridge.
Nick.
What do you do for work?
Pastor.
You're a pastor? Where
Get the heck
what
out of
church?
here.
Nick,
Can't breathe.
I know. It's okay. Medical's on its way, okay?
was that gun the
You're a pastor where?
I wrestled it from her. Yeah.
The woman speaking is Nick's wife, 43-year-old Sarah Davey. She'll soon share a harrowing account of the day's events.
Oh,
Yeah, Brandon.
no, I know. Don't get up. Don't get up.
Where the is medical?
I don't know. Can you hear me?
Yo, Nick,
All right.
just keep your eyes open, Nick.
Hello?
Nick, I know it hurts.
Hey,
just keep your eyes open, please.
As Nick struggles to remain conscious, Sarah attempts to comfort him.
Can't breathe. He can't breathe.
I know. We're
They're coming.
We're expediting him. They're here.
There you go.
There he is, Nick.
Is this his phone?
Gurney over here.
Is this his phone? This is It might be her phone.
Yeah, there's no.
Okay, cool. I don't know. Actual medical can do their thing, okay? You can stand right here. Just give us a
Ma'am, do you have his information?
Yeah. Hey, we gotta get you on the gurney, sir. We gotta stand you up, okay? You good to hold pressure?
Yeah, I got you. I got you. You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Is it bleeding pretty heavily, or?
No, that's all the blood.
As Nick is rushed to receive medical aid, the officers attempt to better understand what led to the violent altercation and try to speak with Joe. What they can't yet know is the bizarre turn this story will take.
Hey, man, what's your name?
Joe.
Joe. All right, I'm gonna read you something. Just let me know if you don't understand anything, okay?
Joe is read out her Miranda rights.
Would you wish to talk to me?
No, I need a lawyer.
You need a lawyer? So you don't want to explain what happened here?
I need a lawyer.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Yeah,
Somebody said they had video. Do you guys have video? Check that video, and then we'll go from there. She already lawyered up, so.
As it would turn out, the incident was caught on multiple cameras. For now, though, the officers turn to Sarah to get the peculiar and alarming story. She's standing with her and Nick's 2 children.
What's the backstory on this?
She's a crazy neighbor. We have a restraining order filed. It has not been approved. The hearing is January 8th. Today, she slow rolled in front of us. We're pulling out.
Which one's her car?
A white Mazda SUV.
Security footage actually captures the moment before this and shows Joe driving away from her home. A minute later, she can be seen returning and pulling her vehicle in directly next to the Davy family as they're all preparing to leave.
She rolled her window down, looks. Nick is like half in the car, half not. He says, "What
Is
are
he
you
getting like in the driver's seat or in the passenger seat?
Nick is getting in the driver's seat of our car.
Okay.
And she's in the driver's seat of her car, and they're both facing in opposite directions, so they're right next to each other.
Okay.
He says, "What are you doing? What?" And she, nothing, opens the door with a gun.
This exact moment is also caught by the security cameras. However, another video will
Wow.
reveal the horrific incident in shocking detail.
Multiple shots.
Around how many? Like if you can try and remember.
3 or 4 before I.
Okay.
So Nick is shot immediately behind the car. He falls. I don't know which direction I go in. I think I go from
About
behind.
how many, 3 or 4?
Can you get medical for her? She fought her and her tooth is broke.
This isn't the only injury Sarah sustained during the struggle.
She has shot 3 times
Gotcha,
or so.
okay.
Another shot. I assumed I was shot, but
Are
I
you?
was.
Did you check?
It just hurts right here. Oh,
Were you shot?
my God.
yeah.
Is this a bullet? Or is it just like a...
So you're grazed.
You got grace? Let me see on the back. Oh, there's an exit wound.
Feel it?
I don't know. Adrenaline.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does she point the gun at you or did you...
I go up to her and I'm wrestling her, so she's down in the gun. I hear a shot. I assume I have been shot, and then I get her. I get the gun from her, and she runs around.
Okay.
Hold on. Before we continue, that's a good wife, man. That is a ride or die right there, man. That is a great wife, man. The fact that, you know, in relationships, men are known to be the protectors. You know what I'm saying? You know, not saying that women are not capable of protecting. I'm not saying that. But typically, you know, men are typically the protectors and stuff like that. But for her to step up when her man was down because he was shot, and for her to have the bravery to go fight her and confront her with her being armed, that takes some balls, man. I don't know a lot of chicks that's doing that. You know, a lot of, they gonna run the other way. Whoa, they gonna, or duck or whatever. And I'm not saying they wrong for doing that, but for her to go face the issue head on, that takes some real balls, man. That is kudos to her, man. I know when he recover and stuff, he hearing this story, he gonna fall back in love again, boy. This is one hell of a story. And for her to be shot and everything, you know, obviously adrenaline and everything is pumping, you know, so she don't really feel it, you know, it don't settle in, you know, but for her to face that issue head on, boy, that takes some balls.
And I'm wrestling her, so she's down in the gun. I hear a shot. I assume I have been shot, and then I get her. I get the gun from her, and she runs around. Okay.
A nearby vehicle was also struck during the altercation. With medical on its way again, this time to treat Sarah for her busted tooth and gunshot wound, the officer finally asks about what caused the disagreement in the first place. And the answer is far more unusual than anyone expects.
So she's pissed at us.
Okay, why did that start though? Why did you guys?
She's got chickens in her backyard. I turned her into the HOA for chickens.
Okay.
And she started threatening us.
And then she started threatening us.
Following the reveal that this incident all began because of a dispute over chickens, the Davies daughter shares that she managed to capture the entire confrontation on her phone and hands over the video.
So
I think
she got shot too. It just went through and through, and her tooth is missing. But like she got it on video. The daughter.
Wait, was she still standing?
Yeah, it went through and through. She said she doesn't feel it.
Oh,
Yeah.
She plays the video again for another colleague, this time with audio.
Video?
Yeah, you can literally see the whole thing.
Hey, Nick.
She just gets down and shoots him.
Hey, Nick.
Holy.
Yeah. And then after that, she starts wrestling her. They get into it. She takes the gun from her.
Joe's condo was eventually searched for evidence, and police recovered handwritten notes reading, "My next door Unit 3 neighbor is harassing me. The HOA board never stop harassing me, make me crazy, and they never stop." Stunned by the footage the Davies daughter recorded, one officer even recreates the action.
She jumped out the car, literally like this. Pop, pop, pop.
As things start wrapping up at the scene, the officers discuss Nick's wounds.
very
According to
pale.
the medics, one entrance or one wound, so we have an in, no out, and he's pretty pale.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
I mean, he looks like he's got some internal bleeding, bare minimum.
Police records confirm Sarah was later transported to the University Medical Center, where she was given a CT scan and determined to be in a stable condition with non-life-threatening injuries. According to police documents, Nick Davey went into cardiac arrest and tragically passed away. According to court documents, Joe Junio was charged with murder with use of a deadly weapon, attempted murder with use of a deadly weapon, battery with use of a deadly weapon, child abuse, neglect, or endangerment, and discharging a firearm where persons might be endangered. News sources state that Sarah Davey has since filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Joe. The case is ongoing. If you'd like to see select new videos early and help us...
Wow, that's insane. That's a crazy story, man. Now, this is going to be an interesting take, but are you turning in your neighbor because she got chickens? Like, I mean, I spent 6 months in the Philippines, so it's like that's their culture, and I know they, you know, I know they're here in the United States is different or whatever the case may be and stuff like that, whatever. But like, I mean, if I had a neighbor and he had some chickens and was because he wanted fresh eggs or whatever, I could really care less. I don't really give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like, are they gonna start hollering in the morning? You know, whatever they do, you know? Yeah, you know. But trust me, I heard it. I heard it for 6 months. And bright and early, when the sun coming up, you start hearing the chickens all around. Like, you be like, it could get a little annoying. But it's not. I'm not gonna call somebody on you for that. You know, I mean. Are they wrong? Probably not, but I'm just like, I'm of the imagination where, you know, as long as it ain't, you know, nothing criminal or nothing like, I mean, I don't care what you do in your home, man. As long as you don't bother me, I ain't bothering you, man. That's it. Like, I'm not doing all of that, but yeah, man, she threw her life away, you know, and this all started over chickens. You got the neighbors who turned you in because of some chickens. Whatever, man. That's just crazy. This ain't really one of them cases where it's like, you know, how well did the officers do or whatever? Because I love EWU body cam videos, man. This is like real documentary stuff right here. This is top tier, great work, man. Let me know about what you guys think about this story. What I want to know is, are you turning in your neighbor because they're raising chickens? That's what I'm gonna put in the comment section. Are you turning in your neighbor because they raising chickens? Like, come on, man. Let me know, because I want to hear about it. I want to hear about it now. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.